Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to start AutoCAD 3D modeling. It is the best for the beginners who just want to move from 2D to 3D. I have this AutoCAD 2025 and we are in AutoCAD 2D. You can see that we have 2D tool here. To move from 2D to 3D, we have to click on this gear icon and here we have to select on 3D modeling and we are now in AutoCAD 3D. You will find here these AutoCAD 3D tools, box, extrude, and all these things here. This is the object which we are going to model, and you will see how we can cut hole, how we can make shape in this tutorial. I will copy this drawing into the AutoCAD. This object we will made in two parts, upper one and second one is the bottom one with cylinder and hole. Select here line and we will draw 45 and then next is 65 and we will make a line here from 45, 90, 45 and so on. Now we have to draw a circle of dia 90. Select circle, center diameter, select the midpoint, give the dia 90 here. I will copy this line from here to this end and we will join this line. Now we will use a trim command, type tr, trim the circle, this line and this line. We have to make a hole of 50. Again, select center diameter, select the midpoint and give the dia 50. In AutoCAD 3D, for extrusion, we need a single line entity or close object. Now you can see that we have this different line. This is different line. It is not a single entity. Without single entity, the line will not extrude. To join all these lines, we have to click on modify, click here join and select these entities. Enter. You can see that now it is a single entity. Click here on home. You are in isometric view here, or either you can simply click on isometric view. For extrusion, click extrude, select the object and this one, enter, give the height 120. You can see in the solid, click here on wireframe and select conceptual. You can see that the shape is created. Now we have to make a hole. How we have to make a hole? Click here on subtract, select the outer body, enter, and select the cylinder, enter. Hole is there now. Now we have to cut this 80 mm block from this object. Here we will click on front view. I will select line from the midpoint from here and this one I will offset 40. Click on wireframe. From this endpoint we have to offset 20. I will simply take a rectangle here, select this object up to here. No need to join any lines here. Click here on isometric view and you can rotate here. You can see that these lines are not required. I will make it solid. Now click on extrude, select this rectangle, enter and move here. Click on press pull. You can increase and decrease. I wrongfully select before. With the press pull you can do stretching this way. A lot of things you can do with the help of the press pull. Let's say click press pull and you want to extend the surface like this only. Again we have to subtract now. Click on subtract, select this object, enter, and this object, enter. Click on orbit. You can see that our first solid object is created. Now second part we have to create this cylinder here. Delete this one. Northeast view here. And I will draw a line from on this midpoint to on this midpoint. And now we have to create this shape here, this one. For that we have to again click this cylinder, center diameter, select the midpoint, and the diameter is 90. And we have a hole of 50. Again select center diameter, and diameter is 50. Click on extrude, select these two cylinders, enter, and the length is 45. Now we have to cut this one also. Again select subtract from outer cylinder and the inner cylinder. Click on orbit and rotate. Here click orbit and rotate the shape. If I will select, it is still a single entity, but we want a combine items. How we can make a single entity of these two objects? For that we have to click here on a solid union and select both the part, enter. You can see that now it is a single entity. I will simply move this one here and delete extra line and click here home. You can see that our first 3D model is created in AutoCAD 3D. In this way, we can create any 2D drawing into AutoCAD 3D. You select this one, type change properties. If you want to make it color, change the color here. And here you can click on hidden. You will see the hidden of this object. You select here on realistic. This is the realistic. This is a shaded one. You can try at your own. Hope you learn how we can do 3D modeling in AutoCAD.